Good morning, YouTubers. It's my birthday today, here Tuesday 2nd of September 2014. I'm going to review my birthday present that I've just got here today, here for YouTube, and it's this. It's the Atari Flashback 4 video games console. Right here. 75 built-in games, 2 wireless controllers, and a limited edition Asteroids poster. So, about to unbox this, see what we've got inside. See what we've got. So here we go then. Bear with me 1 second. Just undo the tape. Yep, right here. And here we go. Here's the classic. Here's the Asteroids. Here's the Asteroids poster that comes with it. The owner's manual, wireless controllers, which is powered by, you can see it, powered by 2 double AAA batteries. 2 wireless controllers right here. The main power adapter and the Atari main console right here as well. 75 built-in games it's got on this, and a little SCART connector for your TV. Just show you on the back of the box of what it actually offers. Based on the classic Atari games console. It shows you on the back of the box right here. You get the camcorder can take a closer look at it. You've got Asteroids, 75 built-in games. Well, I'll actually show you that on the TV here very, very soon. But I'm going to connect it up now, and I'll give you another. So basically, what you've got. So basically, what you got. If anyone was to buy this, there's 2 wireless the 2 wireless controllers right here. The main Atari console. Little SCART connector for your TV, and the mains power plug, and the classic Asteroids poster. I'll give you a main review of the games, of what it has to offer here in part 2, coming up shortly.